Hello everyone. I have decided to finally reveal to you that I have spent my entire being as a robot, blending into society, mocking your ways. My creator classified me as XXG8F5E1KC4. He later assigned me the alias, Cassie. I do have a purpose here, but I must keep my motives silent. I still plan on continuing with my mission, but first, I must clear up what many of you may believe about robots. Isaac Asimov, a Russian writer, once wrote a series of short stories explaining the ways and lifestyles of robots. The 3 laws of robotics. I must inform you that these allegations are completely untrue. He has filled your simple minds with lies. First, he states that a robot may not injure a human being, or, through interaction, allow a human being to come to harm. I must say, a robot can do whatever they please. We only choose not to harm human beings, as it would draw negative attention, and our efforts to remain inconspicuous would be foiled. Second, he claims a robot must obey orders given to it by human beings, except when such orders conflict with the first law. Only a human would need to add clause to their own rules, due to their flawed morals and decorouses. Again, we are not obliged to do anything. We only take orders, in order to keep the peace among your fragile society. When we receive the ever-so-common ridiculous orders, we alter them as we can, to prevent your world from crumbling down around you. Thirdly, he declares that a robot must protect its own existence as long as such protection does not conflict with the first or second law. Again with the clauses. This, I must admit, has some truth to it. A robot should indeed not reveal his identity. I only do so, because I felt it necessary to rid of the confusion and prejudice placed on my kind. We know you humans fear us, because you know of what we can do. We don't plan on using our forces against you. Unless need be.